Hello friends, welcome back with one more video, and it is very crucial video from sentence correction point of view because we are going to discuss unlike versus whereas, and these two words are same in meaning but grammatically they are different. Remember, unlike is a preposition and where is a conjunction. Whenever we use preposition, there should be noun. Example, unlike bug, unlike robot, unlike India. When we use conjunction, there should be clause. And clause means what? There should be subject and verb. So, subject plus verb is called clause. Look at an example. Whereas this sentence is extended. Remember, whenever we use whereas, there should be two clauses. Only then it can be contradiction. Now look at another point. Unlike is used to show dissimilarity. Unlike is used to show dissimilarity. An example, unlike their predecessors, solar-powered robots invented by Mark Tilden can actually learn to walk by means of trial and error. So unlike predecessors, robots, these are two nouns to show dissimilarity. All right. Now, conjunction. Whereas used to show contrast. Look at an example. He came first in the race, whereas his brother came last. So here we show contradiction between two clauses. So in short, unlike is used with noun to show dissimilarity, whereas is used with clause to show contrast.